It's mysterious, yet light and unresolved. It conjures up the feeling of floating. It suspends you. It tickles the ear in a mischievous way. It's called the Lydian chord family. The way this is going to work, just like we did with the major scale, you're going to hear a series of 4 clicks at the slow tempo, and then you'll go in and you'll play the Lydian mode, the Lydian scale. But start right here in the middle with this middle C, and play around with this scale, make up ideas. Don't forget you can play some notes twice, you can jump around, have fun with it. Get to know the sound of the Lydian mode. When that's done, that will segue into a jam session, and you just have fun with it. All right, you've got the scale under your fingers, and so you just want to improvise, make up some ideas, try some things out, and just kind of get used to bouncing around the notes in this scale. So most importantly, have fun, and we'll see you around the bend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. For more information on my signature guitar and musicianship courses, check out the information in the links below. Bye for now.